Can you smell what I'm baking?
Hey y'all, come look at this.
What's good, guys? It's your boy Manuel Dera. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to bake a bread. Yeah, I'm baking the bread today. What's good, guys? It's your boy Manuel Dera in the building. Guess what I'm looking like? I'm looking like a chef. Cause guess what? I'm gonna be showing you guys how to bake a bread. Yeah! Who would have imagined me doing this? It's my first time. No, not my first time. It's my second time anyways. So yeah, you guys enjoy the step. I'm gonna show you guys the step. And then, yeah, you guys can make your own bread. Mind you, we are doing Agege bread, the Nigerian style of baking. So I'm gonna make a loaf. So yeah, I'm just gonna do my thing and let you guys watch how I do it. So in case if you wanna make your own bread. So let's go.
First of all the ingredients you need are 500 grams of flour, 7 grams of yeast, 1.2 grams of nutmeg, 45 grams of sugar, a butter, 30 grams of milk, 3 grams of salt, and 1 egg. Bear in mind I will be using a liquid milk in order to do this. And here's your bowl, and this is the 500 grams of flour. So you're gonna take the flour and pour on the bowl. I'm kind of doing this step because I just want to have like a soft touch from the flour. I mean, I think like it's still the same thing. It takes a while for the flour to pour in, because I'm kind of like doing this step. So I mean, guys, you guys are not obligated to do it. But I chose to do it. So you guys know. Add sugar. Yeah, that's your sugar. Sugar. After pouring the sugar, now you can pour in the nutmeg. Yep, nutmeg. And that's your nutmeg. And then you add in your salt. Remember, you don't need to put too much salt in it. You only need like 3 grams of salt. Otherwise, if you put too much, it's gonna be tasting very salty. So yeah, bring in your yeast and pour it on the flour, on the mixtures. So this is 7 grams of yeast. So this yeast kind of does magic. It makes the bread to rise. Sorry, not the bread, but the dough. It makes the dough rise.
You get it?
Okay.
If you don't get it, forget about it.
Okay, now after you've added all the ingredients, this is when you need to get your hands dirty. So guys, you guys are gonna have to mix everything, all the ingredients, so they can all come together. After mixing all the ingredients, now you can pour the milk in, just a little bit of milk, and you add water as well. Mind you, this is not milk, just that I use the same cup as the milk just to put the water in as well. Yeah, so some folks use the machine, the dough machine, to mix the flours, all the ingredients together. But I don't have it, so I'm gonna use my hands, my bare hands, to mix everything up. Yeah, so yeah, it's quite a messy style, but it works though. Yeah, it's gonna take quite a lot of time for the dough to mix together. So I'm trying to, yeah, just doing my thing, Guys, let's not forget about the eggs. Now it's time to put the egg in. So you put the egg and then you continue mixing everything up. And last but not the least, let's not forget about the butter. It makes the dough softer and it makes all the ingredients combine together. Because when you put the butter in, you're also gonna need to mix it with your bare hands. Yeah. As you guys can see, everything is all joining together. It's beginning to form. So the next step is take out the dough and place it on top of the flour surface, cut out flour surface, so you can have the time to squeeze it a bit more, just mix everything together. There you go. One go. Yep. So if you feel like your dough is ready, you leave it aside and then bring out your loaf pan and take out the butter and put the butter inside your loaf pan. Make sure everything is all distributed through the loaf pan, because your dough will be going inside. After doing this step, you can then cut your dough. So guys, this is your next step. After the dough is being cut, you have to roll the dough so you can put it on the loaf pan. So it goes inside the loaf pan. So once you've rolled each of the 3 dough, you cover it. You can cover it with anything. You can cover it with clothes. So because you want the yeast that you've applied on the dough to rise. If it rises, that's a good thing. That means you're in the right track. So I'm just gonna leave it here for an hour for it to rise, so I can be able to put it. So guys, this is the dough after I've left it for an hour for it to rise. So as you guys can see, it's now big. Now it needs to go, it goes in the oven. And yeah, guys, my bread is ready. Can you smell the baking? It's ready now, guys. So guys, I'm gonna open it and then you guys gonna see how the bread looks like. Yeah, that's my bread. It's ready. Ooh, it's hot, guys. It's very hot. Alright guys, you guys need to let it cool down.